Happy Monday, kids! This week we are going to continue working on integers and putting them on number lines. We're going to be learning about absolute value and coordinate planes and graphing coordinates, both positive and negative, on a coordinate plane. So on Monday, we're going to be comparing integers and learning about absolute value. You will be taking notes with me. On Tuesday is asynchronous. That means you have to do the work on your own. So you will be logging into Big Ideas, and you will actually be doing the assignment 6.1. There's lots of checks. I've allowed you I think 6 checks. You can check your work 6 times. And there's also some live tutors available for some of those questions if you're having trouble. Please use those. On Wednesday, we are going to be doing an absolute value activity together. We're going to be watching a video and playing a game. And then on Thursday, we are synchronous as well, and we're going to be taking notes on coordinate planes and graphing. And then on Friday, you have an asynchronous assignment in Big Ideas again, and it'll be 6.2. Have a great weekend. Can't wait to see you guys.